Hi, this is Gayatri here. From my first video to till now, I have been teaching various problem about rational and irrational numbers. In this video, I am going to explain that how to prove that the sum of rational and irrational numbers is irrational. For that, I have chosen here to explain 3 plus 4 root 2 is irrational. So before start explaining this problem, I just want to discuss about the properties of rational numbers. Okay, so this is what a properties of rational numbers. What the first property, it says that the sum of a rational and an irrational is irrational. Sum of any two rational number is rational. Obviously we all know that. For example, 2 is one rational number. 2 by 1 or is rational, so I just consider as 2. Another number is 3 by 1, which means 3. So what about 2 plus 3? It is 5. 5 by 1 is rational. So obviously we all know that sum of any two rational number is rational. But here the first property is the sum of a rational and an irrational is irrational. For example, I give you one number 2 plus root 3. I'm saying that 2 plus root 3 is irrational. How it is irrational? We all know the value of root 3. What is the value of root 3? 1.732 etc. Endlessly it's going on because root 3 is an irrational number. If you are adding this 2 plus, instead of root 3, I am just substituting this 1.732. So I am adding 2 plus 1.732 etc. What is the answer? We are adding only the integral part, not the decimal part, because this is the whole number, so it can be considered as 2.0. So if you are adding the integral part, 2 plus 1, it is 3.732 etc. So after you are adding these two numbers, the final answer also after the decimal point is endlessly going on. So obviously it is an irrational number, right? So if you are adding any rational number and an irrational number, definitely the answer, it should be an irrational. So that is the first property here. Similarly, now the second property. What is the second property? It is given here, the product of non-zero rational with an irrational is irrational. So if you are multiplying any rational number to irrational number, it becomes an irrational. So now let's see. Root 3, it's an irrational number. I am going to multiply this irrational number with rational number 5. So already you know that root 3 is the value is 1.732. So I am just multiplying this 5 into 1.732. Something you get, right? Which means it's nearly approximately it's 8.66 etc. So after the decimal point, the value is endlessly going on. Something if you are multiplied also, the number should be multiple. That's all, multiplying. So that after the decimal point, here also it is endlessly going on, which means after we have multiplied a rational number to the irrational number, that also become an irrational number, right? So these two property you should remember, because this is what I am going to apply in the problem to solve or to prove that sum of rational and irrational number is irrational by the theoretical way, right? So now let's see, just move on to the problem now. The question is, prove that 3 plus 4 root 2 is irrational. Actually this problem, now I am going to prove this by proof by contradiction method. Which means the proof by contradiction method, it's nothing but the truth of a given condition by showing that assuming the given condition to be false, which leads to a contradiction. Okay, so we are going to assuming the given condition to the opposite. So what is the condition? It is given 3 plus 4 root 2 is irrational. We want to prove that. So that you have to assume that to the opposite. Opposite, what is the opposite of irrational? Rational, right? So this number 3 plus 4 root 2, if possible, let us consider that as a rational number. Okay, so that is what the first step I have written here. If possible, let 3 plus 4 root 2 be rational. So now the condition we have assumed that it is rational. So which implies that what I have written here, 3 plus 4 root 2 the whole square is rational. For example, I am saying that a rational number 2 by 3 is a rational number. I am squaring this number. 2 by 3, if you are squaring, what is the answer? 4 by 9. So 4 by 9 also it is a rational number, right? So a rational number, when I am squaring that also, it become a rational number. So here what I am doing now, 3 plus 4 root 2 is rational, my assumption. Now I am going to squaring this number. So after squaring also, it doesn't affect, it also a rational number. So now 3 plus 4 root 2 the whole square is rational. Okay, so square means how to solve it. Already we have seen many problems. 3 plus 4 root 2 the whole square can be write twice. So that is what I have written here, 3 plus 4 root 2 into 3 plus 4 root 2. Already you know that how to solve this. So here I have applied algebraic product. Algebraic product in the sense you have to multiply the first number with the second binomial term and second number into the second binomial. That is what this step. The first number into the binomial. Here we have in between plus symbol. So plus the second number into the binomial. Okay. So after that, the next step how to solve. We want to remove the bracket. To remove the bracket, we want to multiply the number outside to inside the bracket. So multiply this 3 into the first term along with your second to the second term also. And 3 3s are 9, and here 3 into 4 root 2, and this 3 can be multiplied with the quotient only, coefficient of this root number. What is the coefficient of root? 4. So you have to multiply 3 into 4, it is 12. So 12 root 2. Similarly, now I am multiplying this 4 root 2 inside the bracket with the first term as well as with the second term. 4 root 2 into 3. 3 4s are 12. 12 root 2. And then 4 4s are 16 I have written. What is that? Here also I have root 2 and here also I have root 2. So that number you have to write root 2 into root 2. Okay. So removing the bracket, just you multiply the factor outside, inside it. Okay. So I have arrived this 9 plus 12 root 2. 12 root 2 plus 16 into root 2 into root 2. So already you know that root 2 into root 2, it's nothing but 2. Right? Root 2 into root 2, it's nothing but 2. So just look at here, 9, and these two terms are like terms can be added. We want to apply the algebraic concept. Algebra, if you are adding 2x plus 2x, now we are adding only with the coefficient, right? So here also you have to add only this 12 plus 12, it is 24 root 2, and root 2 into root 2 becomes 2, so it is 16 into 2. So 16 into 2, 32, then you add 9 plus 32, it is 41 plus 24 root 2, and this is actually the assumption is rational. So we have, after solving the square, we have reached the step 41 plus 24 root 2 is rational. Okay. Actually, this is, I have solved. Still, I am not conclude my answer. The same solving, you can apply another method also. Another method, already I told you that we can apply that property a plus b the whole square, because the given problem is 3 plus 4 root 2 the whole square. So some in between plus symbol is there. So I can apply proper identity also I can apply to solve this. So a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. In the place of a we have 3, and in the place of b we have 4 root 2. Just you substitute the number in RHS side. So in the place of a substitute 3, in the place of b substitute 4 root 2. So it becomes 3 square plus 4 root 2 the whole square plus 2 into 3 into 4 root 2. Now 3 square is 9, and 4, this number you have to take square for the first as well as the second number. So which is 4 square root 2 the whole square, and now you multiply these 3 number, it is 24 root 2. Now you take square for the next step. 4 square is 16, and square and root get cancelled, so it is 2 plus 24 root 2. Now you multiplied, it become 32, and 32 plus 9, it is 41. So Here also you have reached the step 41 plus 24 root 2 is rational, right? This is another method. So you may apply algebraic product, or you may apply algebraic this identity to solve the that squaring of that number. So now finally we want to conclude our answer. That is what important in this problem. So actually we have arrived the answer as 41 plus 24 root 2 is rational, right? So according to the property, you see that 41 is rational and 24 root 2 is an irrational, because already we have seen the property product of a non-zero, rational and irrational is irrational. 24 is rational, root 2 is irrational. So again multiplying of this number is irrational. So the sum of rational and irrational is irrational. That is the another property we have seen. According to this property, 41 plus 24 root 2 is an irrational. So we have arrived as a contradiction here. So this is the contradiction to our assumption, because our assumption we have chosen that 3 plus 4 root 2 is rational, but it is contradict our condition. Here we have reached the answer 41 plus 24 root 2. According to the property, or by the property, the sum of rational and irrational is irrational. Therefore 41 plus 24 root 2 is an irrational. Therefore the given number 3 plus 4 root 2 is also an irrational number. Is it clear, children? So by using this property we can easily arrive the answer by the proof of contradiction method. Okay, so just to remember these kind of problem, you may apply the proof by contradiction method to prove it. Clear? Hope you all understood. Thank you for listening my class. Thank you, children.